Welcome back to Top 10 Den, the channel where we explore fascinating facts about the animal kingdom. Today, we are diving into the world of slow-moving creatures. Get ready to discover the top 10 animals that take their time in everything they do. From land to sea, these animals have mastered the art of slow living. So let's get started. 1. Three-toed sloth. Sloths are famous for their slow movement and are well adapted to their arboreal lifestyle. They spend most of their time hanging upside down in trees, moving slowly from branch to branch with a top speed of just 4 meters per hour. Their slow metabolism and low-energy diet contribute to their leisurely pace. 2. Garden snail. Garden snails move at a leisurely pace, crawling at a speed of about 1 centimeter per second, but they can also travel much faster when they are in danger. Garden snails use their muscular foot to glide along on a slimy trail, which helps them to grip the surface and prevent them from slipping. 3. Star tortoise. Star tortoises are land-dwelling reptiles known for their slow and steady gait. They have sturdy legs and move deliberately, taking their time to navigate their environment. Their slow pace helps them conserve energy and ensures their safety in their habitat. 4. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crabs have existed on Earth for about 450 million years, predating dinosaurs by a significant margin. They are not known for their speed. They are generally slow-moving creatures, often crawling along the ocean floor or the shoreline. However, their slowness is relative to their habitat and their unique method of locomotion. Horseshoe crabs use their jointed legs to propel themselves forward in a crawling motion, which can be slow and deliberate. Overall, their slow pace allows them to navigate their surroundings and perform essential tasks such as finding food and mates. 5. Gila monster. The Gila monster is a venomous lizard that may appear slow on land. However, it has adapted well to its environment by conserving energy for hunting and survival. Gila monsters have a slow metabolic rate and spend much of their time hiding and waiting for prey to come close. 6. Koala. Koalas are known for their relaxed and sleepy lifestyle. They spend most of their time sleeping or resting in trees, conserving energy as they have a diet of low-nutrient eucalyptus leaves. Their slow movement is also influenced by their specialized diet and adaptations to an arboreal life. 7. Giant African land snail. Similar to garden snails, giant African land snails crawl at a slow pace. These large snails savor their leafy diet, taking their time to feed on vegetation. Their slow movement allows them to thoroughly consume their food and ensures they don't miss any nutrients. 8. Manatee. Manatees, also known as sea cows, are gentle marine mammals that prefer a slow and leisurely pace. They graze on aquatic vegetation and move slowly through the water, conserving energy. Their large, cumbersome bodies are well adapted for a slow aquatic lifestyle. 9. Galapagos tortoise. The Galapagos tortoise is one of the largest tortoises in the world. They have a slow and deliberate pace, taking their time to explore their island habitats. Their slow movement allows them to conserve energy and adapt to the limited resources available on the islands. 10. African elephant. While elephants can reach impressive speeds when necessary, their typical walking pace is slow and deliberate. They move slowly, taking large, deliberate steps, which helps them conserve energy during long journeys and when foraging for food. Their slow pace also ensures stability due to their massive size. And that wraps up our list of the slowest animals. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures and their unique adaptations. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your favorite slow animal, and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with another exciting countdown. Stay curious.